Good morning, children. Today's portion is fertilization. So, before that, we have studied about pollination. So, pollination means transfer of pollen from anther to stigma. So, then various agents we have seen. So, today we are going to see about the fertilization. It is the second event in sexual reproduction. First event is pollination. Second event is fertilization. So, events of fertilization. First definition. So, fusion of male and female gamete, that is called fertilization. So, particularly in angiosperm, double fertilization was occurred. So, events of fertilization. The first process is germination of pollen, and they form a pollen tube. The pollen tube continuously grow inside the style and towards the micropyle of the ovule. So, through that, the pollen tube enter into the embryo sac. There it discharge male gametes. So, then syngamy and triple fusion will be occur. So, these are the events. So, in this PPT, you can see the consolidated events of fertilization. So, pollen, after the pollen deposition on stigma, the entry of pollen tube into the ovule is a pollen pistil interaction. That process is called pollen pistil interaction. So, now types of style found in the ovule that you are going to see. So, solid style, solid or closed style, and hollow style and semi-solid. There are three types. So, solid style, semi-solid, hollow style. First we are going to see about the hollow style. So, it was present mostly in monocots. Hollow canal running from stigma to the base. So, that canal is lined by glandular mucilaginous substances. So, it is filled with completely secretion. The style tube is completely filled with secretion. So, it is a nutritive of pollen, growing pollen tube, and also controlling incompatibility reaction between the style and pollen tube. So, what is incompatibility? So, the same, if for example, if you take a hibiscus, the style of hibiscus has a special kind of secretion. So, it won't, that secretion, it won't allow the other flowers, other pollen into the pollen growing was inhibited by these chemicals. So, it is a chemical reaction. So, this reaction is called incompatibility. So, for example, hibiscus flower la hibiscus pollen mattumna இந்த chemical வந்து allow பண்ணும். இப்போ suppose ஒரு rose pollen அதில் விழுந்துச்சுன்னா it does not allow to grow. So, that reaction is called incompatibility. So, that secretions contain carbohydrates, lipids, enzymes, acid phosphatase. So, some incompatibility protein, controlling proteins also present in this secretion. The secretion found in the style of ovary. Here you can see the growing, in the first picture you can see the growing pollen tube. It was fall on the stigma and enter into the style, and the pollen tube goes through the micropyle and reaches the embryo sac. It is a red color line. And then double fertilization. After discharging of the egg cell, pollen male gametes, the fusion was occur in the female gamete, that is double fertilization. The fused nuclei again moved towards the cell, and there it was fused with polar nuclei. So, that is triple fusion. So now solid style closed type. It is common among dicots. Presence of central core in the style, highly specialized cells, they are having a transmitting tissue, lining cells of hollow style and the lining cells of the closed type does the same function. Content also, the secretions also same to that of open type. So semi-solid type, next type is semi-solid type. This is intermediate between solid and open type. Now entry of pollen tube into the ovule, that due to the entry of pollen tube, it was differentiated into three types. Porogamy, pollen tube enters through the micropylar end of ovule. Chalosogamy, pollen tube enters through the chalosal end of ovule. Mesogamy, pollen tube enters through the integument, not in micropyle, not in chalosa. So it is a middle region of ovule. So it is called mesogamy. So path of pollen tube entry into the ovule. You can see in the first picture, porogamy, pollen tube enters through the micropyle. In the second tube, pollen tube enters through the chalosa and then reaches the embryo sac. Mesogamy in the middle. So not in micropyle, not in chalosa, the middle part of the entogamon, and reaches the embryo sac. So in this PPT, you are going to see the entry of pollen tube into the embryo sac and what are the events takes place inside the embryo sac. We are going to see. So already we have seen the pollen falls on the stigma and then pollen tube nucleus start to produce a pollen tube. It is entered through the either a micropyle or a chalosa or a integument. So due to the presence of chemotrophic substances, already we have seen the chemicals present inside the style that initiate this pollen tube towards the ovary. So that pollen traveling throughout the length of the style and enter into the ovary, and it was guided towards the micropyle of the ovule by a abrerator. So due to that mechanism, it was traveling. After reaching the embryo sac, a pore is formed in the pollen tube apex end. So through the pore, they discharge male gametes into the synergid or embryo sac. So now the pollen tube does not grow behind it, and then the tube nucleus, pollen tube, all are disorganized. So now what happens inside the embryo sac? There are two fusions, double fertilization and triple fusion. So the male gametes released by the pollen tube, it was fused with the female gamete, that is called double fertilization. That phenomenon is called double fertilization. It's a unique features of angiosperm. And then one of the male gametes fuses with the egg nucleus. So that product is called zygote. That mechanism is called syngamy. So here you can see the fusions. So after finishing the double fertilization, so one of the nucleus move towards the cell part and it is fused with the polar nuclei. So as a result, the endosperms are formed. Later it becomes the nourishing tissue of growing embryo. So now types of style found in the ovule that we are going to see. So solid style, solid or closed style, and hollow style, and semi-solid. There are three types. So solid style, semi-solid, hollow style. First we are going to see about the hollow style.